My name is Paul Cowan. Welcome to the Europa Property virtual studio and headquarters, where we create and stream all of our online events. We are the leading provider of online events for commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. We are here today to launch our next big online event, which is the CEE Investment and Industrial Property Awards, which takes place on the 29th of October. And to tell us all about the opportunities that you can find at this event, would you please welcome the founder and publisher of Europa Property, Mr. Craig Smith.
Good afternoon and welcome. Thank you, Paul, for that great introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, this year is about digital lead generation, networking, all online. And as Paul has said, we're #1 in this field, and this is the event, the annual event to come to and to be part of it. Now, the most exciting information is we are starting today with the lead generation and the networking opportunities. So go to our website, which is CEEInvestmentawards.com, and sign up for a ticket for the event. And this will already put you into the networking and into the lead generation categories, and start making contacts now. So we'll see you at the awards, and now's the time to do the networking and the lead generation over the summer.
Visit our website for further details or send us an email.
Great.
We'll see you on the 29th of October.
See you at the event.